Have you ever wondered why you need to learn the math topic integers? In this video, I'll detail 3 reasons that show exactly where they're used in the real world and why it's the secret skill needed to continue your mathematics journey. First, I want to talk about an idea that is showcased in society and our everyday life. It improves emergency preparedness, improves short and long-term goals, and decreases stress. Think about how the government manages money. It's like how you manage your allowance, but on a much larger scale. The government uses integers to keep track of money coming in and money coming out. This helps keep the economy stable so people can rely on important services like healthcare, education, and infrastructure like roads and bridges. Positive numbers show income, like taxes and tariffs, while negative numbers show expenses, paying for all the previous benefits and more. The skill of integers accurately helps the government make sure that they don't spend more than they have. So reason number 1, budgeting and financial planning. Secondly, integers are needed to solve many real-world problems. Here are some examples. Let's dive into sports statistics. For instance, Formula 1. During the qualifying trial race, this determines the starting positions. Drivers can sometimes receive penalties for exceeding track limits. Here are the penalties of 3 drivers. What is the starting order based on the penalties? Pause the video and give it a go. If you selected option B, you are correct. To answer this question, you needed the skills of ordering and comparing integers. So reason number 2 solves many real-world problems. Next, I want to highlight just how important the skills of integers are to the rest of your mathematics journey. Your math journey is exactly like climbing up a staircase. You will need the skills from the previous topics to continue. The following future topics use the skills of integers. Let's dive into Year 10 algebra. This is the concept of solving quadratic equations using the formula. Did you know to answer this question, you actually need the skills of 4 of our lessons: add and subtract, multiply, divide, and order of operations of integers. Now, I want you to think of the number of problems that you can solve being an archery target. You learnt positive numbers in primary school. Now you have learnt negative numbers. The more you learn, the more problems you'll be able to solve. This leads to you becoming more valuable. You never want to be in a situation where you run into a problem in real life that required more skills than you currently have. So reason number 3, needed for future math topics. You now know why you need this skill. However, is your goal to get an A in the topic integers? Watch this next video to learn one of the best strategies that can help you reach this goal.